Crypto is down again. Should we buy the dip or should we wait? Now, in this episode, we are going to break it down the risks, the pros, and also a better strategy for 2025 and beyond. Without further ado, let's begin. Welcome back to the Crypto Lab, guys. My name is Sifu Wong. In today's episode, we are going to talk about should we buy the dip or should we wait? What does buying the dip means? Well, when the price drops, basically you are having a discount or the lower prices that actually presented in front of you for you to purchase a cryptocurrency that is selling at a cheaper price. So buying the dip basically means that buying at a lower price with the expectation that the price might bounce back up. Whatever comes down, after goes back up, right? This ideology, basically, it's very popular among traders and long-term holders. But why people buy the dip? Well, people basically buy the dip because the price has dropped to a cheaper price. You just imagine that you are purchasing something at a lower price, at a discount, selling at a discounted price. So it makes sense for us to buy at a lower price. As the saying goes, buy low, sell high. Well, this is the time for you to buy the dip. Because buying at the lower prices only means that you are going to get more coins worth for your money. The other reason why people buy the dip is because they are afraid of fearing to missing up the bottom, which is FOMO. And in most of the time, big investor tends to accumulate during a dip. Now, what are the risks here if you are about to buy the dip? Well, the dip might not be the bottom, it might fall lower. So if you are buying a dip, it's basically you're trying to catch a falling knife. If you buy too early, emotional buying can lead to regret if the market price keep on falling down. And another risk here is that no one can predict the bottom of the market. So no one can basically predict a dip nor the bottom of the market. So probably a better way for us to buy the dip is to wait. Now, what should we wait? Waiting doesn't mean that you do nothing. Waiting means that to monitor the market, to wait for a possible reversal or signs of reversal that might happen. We should enter during the reversal time. Because by buying on the reversal sign, you can avoid from all this fake out that might actually happen. It also helps you to reduce in panic buying, whereby you have more time for you to analyze the chart and also to monitor the market. So what are the smarter approach to do this? Should we buy the dip or should we wait? Now let's try to balance between these two. What you can actually do here, you can consider to do a dollar cost averaging down, which means that you buy little by little as the price goes down. So that's what we call it as DCA or dollar cost averaging. You can also consider to set limit orders where the levels that you're comfortable to buy, you just set the limit orders over there. Should the price drop to that level, the system will automatically place the order for you. Have a plan. Don't just react. You need to understand when is your entry point and where is your exit point as well. And another thing that you should consider here is that always follow the news, some sentiments in the market, and also on-chain activities. So the key takeaway from this video is that buying the dip can work, but only with patience and the right strategy. And waiting is okay too, especially in uncertain market ranges. Last but not least, no one knows the perfect bottom, but always try to focus on smart planning, not perfect timing. One day, one new knowledge. Learn something new? If yes, please help me to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out anything important in the future. And do not forget to sign up for your new BitUnix account in the description area below. Send your user ID to my Telegram where I'm going to add you to a Telegram support group where you can enjoy all the support that you need and gain massively together with us. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.